Today I'm going to show you how to record a vocal in Pro Tools using the record and mix template. Easy stuff. Let me show you.
You got me tripping, I be dipping, late nights are gripping. You shy and timid, still handle business. Got me
So, there's 3 ways that I know of to record in Pro Tools. Well, one, you have to arm the track, Shift R, or you can just click the arm track. With Pro Tools, you can click anywhere as long as you have, the proper tools highlighted. I can get into that in a whole other video. But so, the way I use is Command Spacebar. Another way people use, which is very common and kind of old school, I guess, is numeric 3. Another way you can record, which is basically the most simple way, is arming record, hitting play. So arm record, hit play, it records. And the reason I have it muted is because we will get a crazy feedback loop, and I don't want that to hurt your ears right now. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that those 3 things you can hit record with. I just wanted to keep it very simple.